Hi friends, I am Ankit and today we will talk on how to protect your mobile phone from theft. Normally our mobile phone stolen when we leave it for charging on public place and sometime from our pocket while using public transport. Here is one app which protect our phone from theft. So open Play Store and we need to install anti-theft alarm. Now in your mobile phone go to Play Store. Here we need to search for anti-theft alarm. This is our application anti-theft alarm. We need to install this application. It's a small application of 2.7 MB. Now application is installed. Press on open. Here are four options. One is charge detection mode. Second is motion detection mode. And third is proximate detection mode. And fourth is SIM change. Now first we go on motion detection mode. Here we need to set a pin or pattern for password. I am setting a pattern. Press on continue. Now I need to confirm the password pattern. Press on confirm. Now my mobile phone is connected to a charger. Now charge detection mode is activated. Now we see what happens if someone disconnect my phone from charging. Now you have seen my phone start alarming when someone disconnected my phone from charging. And second is motion detection. Now motion detection mode is activated on my mobile, and if someone tries to pick my phone silently, it starts alarming. Friends, now I am activating proximate detection mode. This feature is useful if someone tries to steal phone from our pocket. Now fourth and last is the SIM detection mode. Now here you can enter your name, mobile number and email address, and if someone tries to change the SIM card in this mobile device, you will receive an alert. And by pressing here you can change the settings of this application. You can change the alarm tone, or you can change the password or pattern. You can also change the sensor level, which I recommend you to set on high. That is all my friends. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.